Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add poses in 11Labs. So actually guys, at first you will need to go with 11labs.io website and then just sign in with your account. So then you will need to enter your text on the text to speech. Okay, you can find that option under the playground section on the left hand menu. So once you click it, you will need to type the text you want the AI to read in the text box. Okay, so for example we'll go with a random one, and here you will need to use the punctuation to determine poses. So you can structure your text like that one. So you can add this one right here, okay, and this one for the short pose. Okay, you can go with the points, and it's for the standard sentence pause. Okay, also you can go with the three dots, and that one for the longer pose for dramatic effects. Okay, and then just choose a voice to generate. Okay, so for example we'll go with that one and test. Okay, so wait a moment, let me change the text. So let's go with that one to detect the language, and then just choose one and go with generate speech. Okay, so yeah, that way you can test it, and if you want to download it you can go with download below, okay, at the bottom right corner. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.